If you're encountering a formatting error on Reedsy, it can be frustrating, but there are straightforward steps to resolve the issue. Follow this guide to quickly fix the error. Step 1. Check your document format. Ensure that your document is in a compatible format. Reedsy typically accepts files in docx or EPUB formats. If your file is in a different format, convert it to one of these. Step 2. Remove unnecessary formatting. Open your document and remove any complex formatting that may cause issues. This includes excessive fonts, colors, or styles. Stick to standard formatting like Times New Roman or Arial in 12-point size. Step 3. Simplify your layout. Check for any unusual layout elements such as text boxes, images, or tables that might not be supported. Simplifying your layout can help eliminate potential formatting errors. Step 4. Use Reedsy as formatting tool. Upload your document to Reedsy and use their built-in formatting tool. This tool can help identify and fix formatting issues automatically, ensuring your document meets the standards. Step 5. Preview and export. After making the necessary adjustments, preview your document on Reedsy to check for any remaining errors. Once everything looks good, proceed to export your document again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the formatting error and continue with your project on Reedsy. Good luck with your writing.